Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Fallout 3 tour. I'm outside of Riven City, which is I'm outside the aircraft ship. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to explore. I'm going to explore inside, yeah. Right, I'm going to go inside the aircraft ship. Well, I was planning to do a tour video of. I was planning to do Riven City on my Fallout world, but since my world got corrupted, so I decided to do my Fallout 3 tour video on Fallout 3, of course. Oh, what's that? I don't know, is that one of those, it's one of those jet planes? I believe, if that's a jet plane, I think there's one there. I believe there's, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to the marketplace. Right, this is the marketplace. Well, there's no shops here in this one. Right, so I'm going to the weapon shop.
Decided to check out the shop, eh? If you want any of this shit, just holler. Need to do some killing, eh?
Alright, I'm not. Where is it? Or is there anything I can sell? Oh yeah, something. Oh.
Thanks. No problem at all. If you need more ammo, this is where to get it. That's secure for a reason.
Alright, let's see what we can buy here. There's different types of clothes I can buy.
Welcome to Potomac Attire. I think I've seen you in here before. When you're ready to buy, just let me know. Straight to the point. I like that.
What can I buy here? I just I want to buy something. But I didn't realise that's the leather armour. Ugh, the weight is 15. Okay, I need to pick something else. Alright, let's buy them.
Pleasure doing business with you. Come back soon. Tables and chairs. I'm sure she'll just as proud of you.
Nice to see you again. Are you looking for a quick fix? We've got all kinds of chems.
Right, I can't know. I don't. What kind of eggs I got? Alright. Right, I got them. Well, well, I suppose I could, well, since I got right away, well, I suppose I can buy some relics. I'm just checking if I got any, actually, you know what, I'm going to sell these. I don't want cams. Let's just get rid of them. Because every time I open the first aid kit, I get a lot of cams. God, I'm acting like Mama Murphy from Fallout 4. Because Mama Murphy's obsessed with cams.
Another satisfied customer. I'm sure you'll be back soon.
Oh, that looks like a restaurant here.
Let me introduce myself. I am Gary Staley, gourmet chef and gourmand. I'll be preparing your meal. My specialty is Meyerlerd cakes, although the iguana is very popular too. Then you are in for a treat. Here is our menu, sir.
Oh, food. Well, yeah, I got a lot of food. Really. I've been collecting a lot of food in the wasteland lately. Alright, I need some fresh water. I wonder if he got fresh water. Oh! Wow, is that some kind of fruit? Well, I don't mind buying, I might buy some fruits. Although, if I eat that fruit, it's quite healthy. Which is no variation. Just a healthy fruit. I might buy it. Oh, there's more here. But, you know what? What I need to get is, I need fresh water. Well, I can get more, I can get more fresh water at home in Megaton. Oh, what I'm gonna do now is just, I could do that in my free time.
Pleasure doing business with you. Thank you for coming to Gary's Galley.
Right, that's enough around the marketplace. Let's go somewhere else.
Hello.
Oh. Alright, where is it? Oh, it's Thursday. Apparently there's some kind of I have to go to the church every Sunday. Although I could just pay a quick visit to the church. You know, do some raise a donation.
Nick, just leave me alone. May Saint Monica bless you. You would? I mean, certainly. We humbly accept whatever you can spare. However, Saint Monica looks most favorably on donations of 100 caps or more. A most generous offer. God bless you. Saint Monica bless you.
Oh, I might come here to this church on Sunday. I don't know why, but a lot of people come here on Sunday. Right, where should we go next? Where's the signpost? Well, I want to explore here because this is some kind of this is some kind of museum. Oh, there's Mr. President, Mr. Washington himself. I did his quest to retrieve some kind of document. Should be here on this wall frame. Huh? A declaration of war. Declaration of war on Germany. The declaration of war made Germany during World War II. Oh yeah, I know. Oh. A war in China. Oh yeah, I know about this one. China invades Alaska. Oh, speaking of that, there's a certain DLC for that. To let you know, everyone, I'm going to do one of the DLCs from Fallout 3. So I might do I had to take part in some kind of invasion. So the Chinese invade Alaska, and I gotta help the American army to beat them. Right, I don't want to read too much. These are pre-war wallpapers. Oh. My hair's itching. This is a lot of pre-war wallpapers. Ooh. Oh, I saw that outside. Outside this aircraft. Unless that's I think it's one of the aircraft planes. Right, what's up there? Wait, is that a doghouse over there? Oh wow, the doghouse. A pre-war doghouse. Wow, the only dog what's around here in 403 is dog meat. Dog meat is only around here. Well, the rest of the dogs don't mutate, and dog meat is the most luckiest dog ever. Well, I know about that. I don't want to explore around that museum. Right, the science lab's down there. That's part of the main storyline mission. But I'm just gonna ignore that. Right, I need to head back. Okay, where's that signpost? Oh, right. I could use this workbench to make bottle cap mine, railway rifle, rocket launcher, and that's some kind of like a fire sword. Yeah, I need different types of junk. I need to collect some junk so I can custom my own weapon. So, with the with the bottle cap mine, I only use that for emergencies only. If I'm dying. I could use the rocket launcher if I'm taking a very tough enemy, which is gonna be. Although, since I downloaded the DLCs, there are some tough enemies hard to beat.
Good to see you.
Even though hard to kill. Right, there should be a clinic on the next floor going up. Yeah.
You don't look hurt. What can I do for you? Sure thing. Here's what I have.
What can I say? Is there anything I need? I'm sure I could sell something. Everything I don't need. No?
Give me a shout if you need anything else.
Oh, I think there's no need. I'm all set. So if I run out of sleep packs, I always come back here, Rim City, to pay a visit to this doctor here.
Take care of yourself.
Good to see you.
Right, so I'm going to the, oh, hold on, what's that? I just went past. I think this is some kind of a hotel. I don't know if I can speak to this Mr. Handy.
Welcome to the Weatherly, Mr. Buckingham at your service. Only 120 caps. Excellent. Simply venture into the hallway, turn left, first door on your left. That is your room. Yes, sir.
Well, I know I want to sleep in my own room, but only you can sleep there temporarily. I don't want going around in circles. What was that there? Oh, I can't take that with me. If I do take that with me, that was stealing. I don't want to make these people hostile. I need to be careful what I'm doing. Well, I'm going all the way top of the hangar deck. I'm going all the top of I'm going on top of the service of the aircraft.
Hello.
Ooh. Oh God. That's a long way down. Well, I know this is the top floor outside the service. Wish I could see the whole view of the capital wasteland. I should have to see oh yeah, I can see it. Well,
Yes.
that crane's getting in the way. Right. I'm going down to the lower levels.
This area is off limits to civilians.
No, wrong one.
Another glorious day in this man's army.
I'm just trying to find it.
Good to
Is
see
it
you.
this one? Nope. It's got to be somewhere. It's just going around circles. Oh yeah, no, this is more like it. Oh, there's all the planes here. God, this is one huge aircraft. You know, the way I look at this aircraft, this reminds me of this reminds me of the Avengers film. The first Avengers film. Like, oh, it looks like it. But he doesn't have that elevator what goes down to the secret HQ area. There's more planes everywhere. Alright. Ooh, what the hell was that noise? Right. That's the other side of the aircraft. As you can tell, you can hear that noise in the background. Ooh. Oh, what's this supposed to be? Oh, there's some kind of baseball bat and baseball glove and a bat. Oh, it's cricket. It's like a mini game cricket area. So you have like 2 people there. Play there. Play there. And there. Oh. Looks like Rivet City is making it more entertainment. So a lot of people can just watch, people can come up here to this, come out here to this office and watch everyone here. Oh, plus there's this bench is there as well. So people can watch. I resume that security guards would play cricket. Well, if someone swings the bat so hard, it'll go all over there. Like, wow, this aircraft ship is massive. Oh, hello, what's this? Right, is that an ammo box down there? There's a lot of random stuff everywhere on this aircraft. And there's more on the upper floors. Right, let's find somewhere I can jump. Because I need to get to that shore there. As you may not know, at the bottom of the aircraft, at the bottom of the ocean, there's Milox. Right, there should be an entrance here. Yeah, there's a door entrance right there. Oh, I need to get to the surface quick. My the radiation's going weak fast. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that was close. I had a lot of radiation on me. Although the water's radioactive. No, it's just well, this is part of the aircraft ship, which no one wants to come here. Which I found another way to get. I found another way to get here. Which you had to like go down to the low levels at the bottom of the ocean to reach up here. Apparently there's some kind of a science guy here. He should be in this room. Oh, there he is. Okay, I believe this room, this is where he lives. Because the whole thing is a lot of technology and stuff. I believe that's some kind of surgery. I believe that you have a surgery with him to change your face. Oh. I noticed there's a lot of people on the main aircraft ship, but no one wants to come here. He's the only one that's here. Right, I better not go down to the low levels. I'm not going down to the low levels of the ship because there's mutated crabs down there. Everyone, I know it's not much around this tour video. For my next 4-3 tour video, which I'll be going to oh yeah, the Museum of History. So I'm going to explore the abandoned museum, and I might pay a visit to the underworld. But I'm not going to post a video. What I'm going to do is because I want to add more videos on the Fallout 3 tour. My next location is the Museum History, and then I'm going to pay a visit to Vault 112. Vault 87. Now, Vault 87 is part of the main storyline. Right. I'm not sure about that video. probably won't do that video. What I might do is, I might... Okay, Vault A7 is somewhere around here on the other side of this map. But I'm not gonna go there, I might go somewhere else. Okay, the police station's there. On the other side of the wasteland is you know what? I might do something fun. Well, what am I doing now? What's my next storyline? What's my main storyline? The water of life. Right. Although I killed all the super mutants. I killed all the super mutants outside the building and the ones inside. So I'll be heading there, and then the Enclave comes. Oh, not for the Enclave. Oh, I'm gonna have a promise with the Enclave, because I'm gonna see like a group of Enclave. I'm gonna see like a small group of Enclave. I'm going to see a small group of Enclave soldiers around the whole capital wasteland. So if I see them, I'm gonna have a problem. So I better not approach them, because apparently my character becomes a traitor. I mean, why am I don't understand. Why? How's your character is the traitor? Right, okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do my video now, because what I'm gonna do is gonna quickly post this video, and I'm going to jump to the next video. But I'm gonna post this video, of course, and for the next video that will come in the next I don't know. I probably won't do it tonight. It's getting really late. It's getting to 5 o'clock in the morning. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.